Jamaican. Are you from Jamaica?
I'm Nigerian.
I'm Jamaican.
You're
I'm Jamaican, so you better get this right. Nigerian doing jerk chicken.
Watch me, nana. Now watch me whip. Watch me, nana. Now watch me whip. Watch me, nana.
Hello guys. Who's winning? Who's winning?
Very easy. Let's go to a chair and stay by it.
Started not to give a fuck and stop hearing the consequences. Drinking every night because we drinking my accomplishments. Made it way too long, I'm floating it. Not a consciousness and they saying I'm back. I agree with that. I just take my time with all this shit. I still believe in that. I had someone tell me I fell off, who I needed that. And they wanna see me pick back up, but where I leave it at. I know I exaggerated things, now I got it like that. Something that in my
What's the fruit?
I know, Malay said she want water, I didn't taste it.
Chicken. It's not bad. A lot of pepper? Yeah.
Congratulations. You get a
I'm gonna go get the water.
We're going to do the share challenge for the kids. 6 kids. 6 kids. 7 kids. Yeah.
sure. Yeah.
All right.
My name is Damar, and I'm from the #1 country in the world, and that is Jamaica.
All right. You got Jamaica in the building. And you want to tell us your name and where you're from?
My name is Natasha.
All right, Jamaica in the building.
Hey guys, so this event right here in the background that I've been vlogging all along is the Afro-Time 2024 here in Grande Prairie, Alberta. First event of its kind. Nothing like this has ever happened, and we are really excited to not only be at the event but to talk to the organizers of the event. Now, let me ask you guys this question. First things first, what made you move to Grande Prairie?
First, we're trying to have a time in Toronto, and someone can recommend this place to us, and we came and then we kind of loving it.
So you guys are all in Toronto?
Yeah, we all moved from Toronto to this.
Well, welcome to the big city of Grande Prairie, man.
It was a very big transition, but Grande Prairie is our home now.
What's the big difference mostly between Grande Prairie and Toronto?
In terms of like business aspect, in terms of culture, everything is totally different, right?
Yeah.
Grande Prairie is more of, what do you say?
Grande Prairie is growing, right?
Yeah,
it's
it's
like a growing city, and then we
Growing
kind of
city.
loving it. Like,
And how long have you guys been here?
for me, 2 years.
2 years.
4 years.
4 years.
A couple of months.
Well, welcome, man. Welcome. So tell me now, guys. Tell me a little bit about this event. What made you guys wanted to do something like this?
Right, so it was one afternoon that our great guy right here kind of called an emergency call trying to create awareness about like the new people moving the city and the population, and then we're trying to have something of a diversity and inclusion, right?
Yeah.
But we just do not see our people come out. So we decided to organize something just to bring them out from the various homes so that we get to meet, network, and then trying to see what everybody's doing. And on top of that, kind of have fun and enjoy like what we're doing here right now.
Well, let me just say, guys, that this is an amazing initiative, man. And like, I'm really happy that you guys did decide to do something like this. Is this something that you guys are going to be doing every year, or is this like a one-time event? What are you thinking?
It's here to stay. Afro-Time is here to stay.
It's Afro-Time. It's gonna be Afro-Time next time. It's gonna be Afro-Time forever.
It's free for all and all multicultural.
All
Wherever you're
multicultural.
from.
Where are you guys from initially?
We are from Ghana.
Ghana.
Bro, I love Ghana. I told you this already, man. Like,
Ghana boys, man.
Ghana has my heart, man. You know they shipped us across the transatlantic, over the Caribbean and those slave ships, right? You guys know. So like, I am confident that we are all from Ghana, bro. Like, we absolutely love Ghana.
Everyone is from Ghana.
Yeah.
And hopefully we would like to let them know that we're gonna have it again year after year, and so they should expect a bigger version of this. Like,
Absolutely. Now, do you guys do this as a business? Like, for example, is this done just as individuals, or is Afro-Time a business?
It's an Afro-Time, it's an entity,
That's
but
what I
this
wanna know.
event is powered by businesses.
Okay.
By ATB Bank, it's powered by VNE Mobile, it's powered by
Blessed
Blessed
Automobile, My Country Immigration Canada. We're
Sweet.
trying to get all the business come together, try to tell us what they do.
Well, the Anderson is on board now, man. Like, 100%.
Afro-Time, what the main idea about this is people coming together, have fun, network, and spend time with their loved ones. So,
Absolutely.
yeah.
Now, what do you like for persons who are thinking about Grande Prairie? They always hear that Grande Prairie is not very diverse. They hear that, okay, then if you're a black, it's gonna be a challenge for you in Grande Prairie. What's your personal experience with that?
Maybe it used to be, but now
Grande
we're changing the narrative.
Yeah.
We're just changing the narrative.
Grande Prairie is a home. It's open for anybody from any other cultural background.
Yeah.
We all live here. The people here are very nice. I mean, food here is very sweet and tasty. Everything, you know.
the culture diversity over here is overwhelming.
It's overwhelming.
So now the immigrant population right here, it's about 30% of the total population,
Yeah.
which gives us an average of about 23 people immigrant.
Guys, you guys always heard me telling you guys, come to Grande Prairie. Now, you're hearing these lovely gentlemen telling you the same thing. Grande Prairie is the fastest growing community in Alberta, and it is one of those places that if you're here, you're gonna be making money. Get out of Toronto, guys. Get rid of those traffic. Get rid of all of those.
I was about to say that traffic, man, that was one significant thing I decided to move, man.
Yeah.
Traffic in Toronto compared to here, way difference, man. 10 minutes, I'm at my way.
And that's it.
5 minutes, I'm at home.
Yeah, get it, man, get it. Guys, I want to say big up Afro-Time, man. Big up Afro-Time every time.
Showing up. I mean, this is our first event, but the rain messed up things, but we still came back.
We're here, man. We're here. We're here.
Everybody came out to support, so big up to everyone.
Even my wife was like, "Oh man, it's raining. I'm not going anywhere." I'm like, "Get dressed. We're going." Right? And we're here, man. So we have to support each other and let it get done, man. Like,
Doing it bigger next year.
I appreciate you guys doing this. I have no words, man. Like, Grande Prairie been crying out for this, man. So next year we're looking to do this bigger and better. Shout out the sponsors again.
Yeah, shout outs to Fiani Mobile, shout outs to ATB Bank.
Shout out ATB, Esther, shout out Esther. Shout out Dave, big up on yourself. Big up on yourself, Dave. Big up Esther. Charge of them.
Michael's Immigration, shout outs to Michael.
Shout out to everyone who showed up today.
Today FM.
Today FM is here?
Yeah, they came around. Yeah.
Sweet. Who came? Is it Kyle? Is it, who was it?
I think Kyle came.
Kyle came? Sweet. Erica Fisher, if you're watching this, you're missing out. See you next year. Yeah.
Come see me shining, too many girls on my IG, changing my life, how mama proud, she got me going, this been took on my feet, on my side, straight for the nose, go to the sky, deep on the nose, straight for the nose, go to the sky, deep on the nose, straight for the nose, go to the sky, deep on the nose, straight for the nose, back to the nose,
Yes guys, so I didn't get to start this video officially, so now I'm ending the video officially. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't already subscribed, please take a second to subscribe. Now, the event that we're just coming from, it's the first of its kind. Afro-Time is the name. Big up Afro-Time every time. And big up all the organizers. As you can see, we chatted with them a bit. They shared their experiences. But I want to say that this is a fantastic event that is needed in the area, right? Now, this shows that Grande Prairie is growing and there's a lot more diversity and a lot more culture coming to the city, right? Malia. A lot more culture coming to the city. So we're really happy that we got an opportunity to come out and support this event. It was raining all day, so I'm happy that they got to do some parts of the event. I know that earlier today then it might not have been possible, but in the evening it was very good. So you shout out to the organizers and shout out to the sponsors as well. All the businesses that saw the vision and saw fit to support an event like this. Really important thing. That there is businesses that see the value in inclusion and diversity. Shout out ATB every time. Big up on yourself. All the other sponsors. You shout out to you guys. It was a good event. We're happy that we could have stopped by. I met all of you lovely persons. So if you guys are watching this and you came up to us and said, hey, we know you guys, we appreciate each and every one of you guys, quite a few persons. Like, I felt like the celebrity of the event because like everyone was just coming up to me like, yo, Demzo, watch your video, yada, and I'm like, okay. Like, I'm not really sure how to act when stuff like that happen because like we're just so simple and low key that we don't feel like a superstar at all. So we just take it with our strides and we're happy that we're able to do content. Apologies for the background noise, guys. We have two very energetic kids at the moment.
It's 10 o'clock in the night.
And it's 10 o'clock already?
Yes, it's 10 already.
Yeah. So, yeah. We are happy that we're able to do content that persons can identify with and can get a feel of what Grande Prairie is like before coming here. That's the general theme that we hear every time. Like, your content has helped us out a lot in transitioning, in settling, and also how to navigate the space. So we're happy that we're able to do that, and we'll continue to do that. But if it is that you guys have not yet subscribe to the channel. If you guys are watching this from Grande Prairie, sorry you didn't get a chance to come out, but from what the organizer said, this will be an annual event and the Andersons will be on board next year as well. So this is going to be bigger and better. Stay tuned, guys, right? If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, take a second to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and drop a comment. See you guys in the next video. Peace. Nap time?
Yeah, it's nap time.
It's bedtime.
Bedtime.
Yes, guys, we're home. We decided to have a sleepover in our living room. So we're currently setting up the bed, which is on the ground. Fun times. Well, the kids like it, so that's what we're going to be doing tonight. You guys choose to live like you're homeless.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sometimes I have to do that.
So you have to bunk it out in the living room. Movie night?
Movie night.
Movie night, Malia? Malia having a sleepover?
Yeah.
Who is at the sleepover?